how to make your own electronic signature for PDF files. So hi guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel, and for today I will teach you a strategy or a way on how to use your electronic signature in PDF or for PDF. So with no further ado, let's get into it. So all you have to do is to go to your browser and type in signwell.com. So before we really dive into this, I'm just going to have a little background on what is Signwell. So Signwell is an electronic signature tool for legally binding e-signatures and faster document signing. So Signwell is a cloud-based electronic signature software that provides businesses across all industries with the tools to capture legally binding e-signatures on documents. So the platforms also offers features such as customizable templates, configurable workflows, audit reports, document sharing and tracking, and many more. Signwell also aims to help businesses reduce their document turnaround time. So it ensures that all documents are compliant with the US and international electronic signature laws. So here you will see the Signwell pricing. So they offer a yearly plan and a monthly plan. Now, as you can see, they actually offer a free plan. So, but the thing here is you're only limited to one sender and you're only limited to one template and three documents per month. Now, if you are really using this for business or for enterprising, then I recommend you to avail their plan so that you could have unlimited templates, unlimited documents that you could send to anyone for at least three. So if you want to add four more sender, then you could add plus $8. And if you just want to use, let's say for personal use, but you will use a lot of documents and use more than one template, then I recommend you to avail their personal. Now, here and there, they also offer API and enterprise. So as you can see here, you could have a high volume dedicated support. Business is really much more bigger, then I also recommend you this. Now, as you can see here, they also offer monthly, and as you can see the difference for the prices, monthly is much more expensive than the yearly. So if you are planning to use this application for the long run, then I recommend you to use yearly because first it's longer, you could use it longer, and it's way much more cheaper. So now we will get back to how to make your own electronic signature for PDF. Now all you have to do is to log into your account. Either you could use your Facebook. If you have an account, then log into your account, and you could actually just connect it with your Google account. So as you can see here, I actually connected it with my Google account. So since we are using it for free, we are only limited to three documents. So now, as you can see here, I've already used a one document. So all you have to do is here on the right side, you will see new document. Now, if you click on new document, you will see this used a saved template. Now, if you've already saved a template for, like, for example, a business and there's a specific template for that, then you could use that. But if you are only given with a document, let's say that you are given with PDF and all you have to do is to input your signature, then I recommend you to go to upload document. And if you click on that, all you have to do is to select a file or just drag a document from your file. So let's say this one, just wait for it to upload. Now here, if you have a lot of document, then you could just add more document, but for now we're just gonna use one. So let's click on I'm the only person signing here. Let's say press on continue here. Now here you will see all the initials here. So this is your contract, for example. Now if you click on initials here, let's say on your signature you want to input your initials, let's say KH here. Now you will see they actually have a pre font for you for your initials. Let's say you want to use this one, or if you have actually a file for your initial or specific font for your initial, then I recommend you to upload it here. Now, if you actually want to draw it by yourself, then you could actually draw it, as you can see here. Say that and just click on save. Now you will see your initial. Now let's say you want to add a text here. So let's say you want to add a text here. Let's say you need to input the date. So for today it's June 9. Then it will be inputted and you could actually drag it anywhere. Now here you will see this date. Let's say here you could actually input the date, but you could actually add a date on your own here. Let's say you want to put a date for your signature, then all you have to do is to put it here. Let's say you want to put it around here. So you need to set the month for that. For example, today, then it's June 9 here, 2022. Then let's say you want to add your name here again. Then let's add a text here. Say that one, and then if you want to add your initials, then you could freely do that. So as I have told you, if you want to add your signature, then here you'll see the signature. Now all you have to do is to type in the signature and this will come out. All you have to do is to place where you want to input your signature. For example, you want to input it here. Then here I've already drawn it. But let's say let's clear it. Now if you want to just use your name in calligraphy or on font for your signature, then you can do that. So here you could use any font here and you could actually upload your own signature. You've already saved it. But for now, let's say you want to draw it all by yourself. So let's say you want to draw your own signature. Let's say that. Now if you click on that, it will be directly saved. Now once everything is already on set, all you have to do is to send it, for example, to your receiver. You could input all the recipient's email here and a message. For example, this is my signature for this document, for this contract, and blah blah blah, and many more. And just click on save. Now if you want to save your own file, then you could actually copy the link and give it to someone, or you could directly download it in PDF form. And as you can see, the date is here, the signature is here, and my name here, and my initial, and also the date. And basically that is how you make your electronic signature for PDF. And basically that is how you make your own electronic signature for PDF files. So I hope this video helped you. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and leave a comment below with the best tips and tricks that I have taught you in this video. Also, please share this video to your friends and family as well as other creators so that you may help them as well. So I hope this was useful, and please leave a comment below if there is anything else you'd want to contribute, and I'll see you in our next video. Thank you for watching.